Hey there, everyone! We know you spend hours at the gym. Sometimes you go for long walks and even follow a certain kind of diet. You're working very hard. After all, getting great posture isn't that easy. From sitting at a particular angle to holding your phone in a certain way, in this video, we're going to talk to you about some of the methods to get good posture. Number 1. Organize your workstation. We often spend 8 to 10 hours at our workplace. If your job involves a computer, you stare at a screen, sometimes having to bend closer to look at it. If you want to develop good posture, this habit needs to go. You can start by adjusting the screen at eye level. Use laptop or desktop stands to achieve this. It may seem insignificant, but you'd be surprised at how tiny adjustments can help you. There's more to a good posture than just working out. Arranging a workstation will help you sit with a proper pose. All you would need to do is hold that posture. On that note, let's go to the next point. Number 2. Maintain your posture. The posture you usually choose to keep is the one that stays with you. So if you can manage to hold your ideal posture every day, it would slowly become your habit. It may seem like a very simple thing to do, but it's harder than it sounds. Especially if you have a tendency to lean back or forward. In that case, we would suggest that you make a habit of sitting or standing in a relaxed position. The sooner you get used to it, the easier it will be for you to get good posture. We must warn you though, maintaining good posture is harder than getting to that pose. So you would have to be patient and not give up if you fail to hold this position from the beginning. It won't be easy. In fact, it'll be very uncomfortable. Don't give up though, keep trying, and who knows, you might just achieve your goal. Number 3. Avoid wearing heels. Whenever you wear heels, your body needs to readjust itself. This is so you can manage your balance better. Unfortunately, wearing heels also affects the way you walk, stand, or sit. Keeping that in mind, we would suggest that you avoid wearing heels. In case you really like wearing them, maybe you can reserve them for special occasions. Just don't wear them regularly, otherwise it will become harder for you to get your ideal posture. This is acceptable for both males and females, as even some men's shoes have high heels. If you want to ditch those shoes, you can opt for a flatter kind. There are many types of shoes, starting from loafers to sneakers and formals. Maybe you can wear those. Don't want to compromise on your heels? Well, you don't have to. There are many other options in this video, just like the next one. Number 4. Sleep the right way. You may prefer sleeping on your back, or perhaps you're a side sleeper. Both of these methods are wrong if your back is not straight. Your head needs to be in a comfortable position too. This way your spine will get used to the posture. Keep doing this every night in order to see results. If you sleep on your back, avoid sleeping with a fluffy mattress. Instead, use a firm one that will help you position your body and head properly. If you sleep on your side, you can achieve the same thing by going for a mattress that is neither firm nor fluffy. Since we're on the topic of sleep, you can check out our video, How to Fall Asleep in 5 Minutes with these simple techniques. You will get an in-depth analysis on how many factors come into play in order to catch some Z's. Anyway, getting back to our video, in case you have trouble keeping your body in posture while sleeping, try this next point. Number 5. Train your muscles. Now, we aren't talking about hitting the gym, but other things like Tai Chi and yoga. While hitting the gym is definitely important, we shouldn't turn our backs on other alternative options. Tai Chi in particular has been found to be very helpful in achieving good body posture. This is mainly because of the different poses that you have to take while doing Tai Chi. All these poses help to get a proper posture. On the other hand, yoga helps you by relaxing the muscles. It has been proven in a study that yoga helps to make the muscles more flexible. Usually, flexible muscles are easier to get into the posture you want. This is mainly because stiff muscles are hard. They're also susceptible to muscle cramps. As a result, it would be better if you start yoga or Tai Chi. Oh, and these exercises also have other benefits. For example, Tai Chi can help with blood circulation and prevent cardiovascular problems. Alright, let's get to the next point. Number 6. Do breathing exercises. Breathing is a natural function for us. Unfortunately, due to air pollution or allergies, many people don't get to inhale air properly. For people like that, breathing exercises would prove to be a good way to relieve themselves. Breathing exercises help to clean up nasal tracts, which help you breathe better. This would allow your body to inhale more oxygen. As such, your body will be more relaxed and it would be easier to get into the posture you want. Just don't try to invent your own breathing exercises. Go to someone who knows about these exercises and learn it from them. Breathing exercises put pressure on our chest, nose, and lungs, so it's always better to learn them properly. Wait, we aren't done yet. Before we add more, check out our video where we list the reasons why you always feel tired. Enough of that, time to talk about the next point. You may have heard of this one before. Number 7. Sitting in a 135-degree angle. There are many times when you might have preferred to sit on your back. Well, you can actually consider it, as experts believe that sitting 135 degrees is good for your posture and your back. Many of you likely changed to 90 degrees thinking it seemed more straight. That's how you end up ruining your posture. When you force yourself to sit at a 90-degree angle, it will never stay that way. After a few days, you'll feel the urge to bend forward a little bit. That way, you'll not be able to reach your goal of getting good posture. So make sure that you practice sitting at a 135-degree angle every day. Do you find sitting at 135 degrees a bit too hard? Then you can definitely try one of our other methods that we've talked about. Breathing exercises and training muscles can be good alternatives to sitting in a particular way. Number 8. Holding your phone. Do you have a habit of leaning forward while sending a text message? If yes, it's about time you change that. When you do something like this, your body gets used to leaning forward. Instead, here's something you can do. Take the phone in your hands and keep it at eye level, or lean back and use it. The idea is to make sure you don't lean forward. Leaning back at around 135 degrees could be very helpful, as we've already mentioned. Another thing we recommend is that you try to limit your screen time. We're already living around enough screens at the moment. If all you do is sit in front of a screen, it's not just your posture that will be negatively affected. It'll also hurt your vision. So use your screens properly, folks. Speaking of screen time, have you checked out our video, Why Screen Time for Kids Needs to be Controlled? That clip will help you better understand the problem of excessive screen time. Don't miss out on it. So which of these methods are you more likely to follow? Have you ever tried any of these? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.